Hey lipstick gang, I'm coming at you guys today with two tinted lip gloss pens in this beautiful golden child gold. Oh my gosh, that is so luxurious. And this beautiful, cute, everyday nude. This nude is fun, flirty, relaxed, girly. Oh my gosh, every girl needs this nude in her life. I can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned. Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang.
Mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang.
Let's mix it up. Hey lipstick gang, what's up? First things first, you guys know I'm going in with a half of a teaspoon of the Very Veelo Beauty world famous lipstick base. Yes, I am using my lipstick base today to make this tinted lip gloss. I'm so excited about this idea. Next, I'm going in with a teaspoon of the dimethicone 500. I got this from makingcosmetics.com, and what this is going to do, this is going to help us to maintain our gloss consistency along with those oils that are already in the lipstick base, but it just helps that lip gloss glide on and slide on real nice. And it also has a nice texture where it's not too thin and it's not too thick. It's just the perfect texture. So I'm going in right here and I'm mixing it very, very good. I'm just basically getting it melted in together, and I'm mixing it with my spatula in a similar way as if I were making liquid lipstick, but I'm just getting this base all ready for our next pigment. Okay, so the first color additive that I'll be using is half of a teaspoon of the Very Veelo Beauty Yellow Liquid Concentrate, and I am going to add that to my bowl. Now, when mixing tinted lip glosses or when making tinted lip glosses, it does not require as much as if I was making some liquid lipstick, liquid matte or satin liquid lipstick, because I am not using powdered color additives. I'm using the liquid concentrate simply because they are oil based, and I want to use the oils to my advantage, so it works out perfectly along with the dimethicone 500 to kind of create this beautiful lip color with a gloss consistency that has the ability to glide on and flow through the brush of that pen beautifully and keep the consistency nice where it's not too thin and it's not too thick. Like I mentioned before, this color is very simple, and here I am going in with my last final pigment in a quarter teaspoon of the 24 karat gold mica. Oh, do y'all see that? 24 karat magic. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Look at that in that bowl. Oh my goodness. Like, this is literally liquid gold. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, when I put it on my lips, I was just like, yes ma'am. Oh yes. So I'm just mixing this in really, really good until I no longer see the powder from the mica, but as you can see, the oils are kind of already eating it alive, and I love it. It's gonna be so beautiful, and it is just so luxurious and so golden, and oh my gosh, I love what I do, you guys. I'm blown away by this gold. But yes, I'm gonna mix it really good, and then I'm gonna proceed to transfer it to my lipstick pen. So I grabbed my syringe, I loaded the product up from the front of the syringe, and I'm taking my lipstick pen. The caps come, I got these lipstick pens from Amazon. I'll be sure to link it in the description box. And the caps come off, so I'm just taking my pen and I'm loading my pen with the product. And you guys, make sure you fill it all the way to the top. I was kind of scared. I don't know why I was being a scaredy cat, but anyway, make sure you fill that pen to the top where that space, not too full, but enough for where that brush clicks. You see how it was a space. I kind of filled it in, but you guys want to make sure you fill it to the top. And look at that, a few clicks and the product just disperses right out of the pen. How neat, how cool is that? So I'm taking it and look at that. I'm brushing this luxurious gold tinted lip gloss on my arm. And I love it. Now to the next color. The next color is like a cute nude, and it does have a shimmer. And it has pink undertones, and it does have a shimmer to it. And I am, same measurements, half a teaspoon of base and 1 full teaspoon of dimethicone 500. You guys can get that base from my website, veryveelobeauty.com. And of course, I have a video showing you how to make your own if you want. I'll link that in the description box below as well. And this color is a little more complex. I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of the Very Veelo Beauty concentrate, liquid concentrate in white. And then I am going to add that to my bowl, and I'm just going to give it a good mix. Because yes, it's still my canvas, you guys, but I just want to give it a good mix to kind of get it acclimated with that base and the dimethicone. So yes, I'm mixing it in really, really good until I add my next color. Now I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of the Very Veelo Beauty brown liquid concentrate, and this is the heartbeat of nude. This is the color that is in every nude. A little bit of brown, a little bit of brown. Brown even make tan. But yes, I am basically adding the brown to the white. So, and the white is gonna lighten that brown up just a bit, but not too much. And yes, because this is a tinted lip gloss, the payoff of this lip gloss is going to be more of a sheer consistency, but you will still be able to tell that it is a nude. So that's what I am doing. I am mixing my brown into my white really, really good. And even though it looks pretty dark in this bowl, it won't be once we do the color swatch. You'll barely see it, but it is indeed there, and it is very much so needed. And like I said, I'm keeping it simple. Going in with the final liquid concentrate that is in 1/4 teaspoon of the Very Veelo Beauty pink liquid concentrate. You guys, I sell this variety kit on my website. Be sure to check it out. And I'm mixing it in with this brown, and the pink is already starting to kind of blend in with that brown really, really good. It warmed it up quite a bit. It was just a regular brown, and now it's like on the warmer side, and I love that, especially when it comes to nudes and especially when it comes to glosses. So that pink is gonna pay off beautifully in the end once we glide that gloss on. So right here, I'm just continuing to mix, and not as much as I would usually, but I'm mixing it in very, very good. Okay, you guys, and now for a pop of shimmer. I'm going in with a 1/4 teaspoon of the TKB Pink Crystal Mica, and I'm just going to mix that in really well for a pop of shimmer to our gloss, because really, what's gloss without a shimmer? So here I am drawing the gloss up once again through my syringe, and I'm going to proceed to disperse it into my lipstick pen, my empty lipstick pen. And this time I filled it all the way up to the top to give you guys an example of what I was talking about. And then I'm adding my brush tip, and make sure you click that, push it so you hear it click. Otherwise, you wouldn't want to twist that thing and it ooze all over the place. Oh, no, no, no. But yeah, so here I am. I am done with my lipstick pen, and I just want to show you guys what this color is all about. Look at that. You see that pink? You see that brown? You see that shimmer? In the bowl, it looked like a totally different color. But once we put it on, oh my gosh, that is such a cute gloss. Yes, double pins. I got this beautiful golden child gold. Oh my gosh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And then I got my beautiful nude with pink shimmer undertones. So pretty. I could wear that nude every day. I love it. And the way that gloss is shining, and you guys, it feels absolutely amazing. If you need anything from bases to liquid concentrates, or any of the major staple things that I use in my video today, feel free to go to my website, veryveelobeauty.com, and shop, and I will make this stuff with love and send it straight to your door. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you beyond words. Welcome to the lipstick gang if this is your first time. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.